Assalamualaikum. My name is Lalib Fatima and I am from grade 9. I am a best student of Quaid Public High School. Today my topic is blood cells. All of these are the types of blood cells in our body. Red blood cells are erythrocytes. They have shape like a biconcave disc. They are without nucleus and they contain hemoglobin. A cubic millimeter of blood contains 5 to 5.5 millions of red blood cells in males and 4 to 4.5 millions in females. Its function is to transport oxygen and a small amount of carbon dioxide in our body. Platelets are thrombocytes. They are fragments of bone marrow cells called megakaryocytes. 1 cubic millimeter of blood contains 25 lakh platelets. They are involved in blood clotting in our body. White blood cells are leukocytes. There are basically two main types of white blood cells, granular and agranular. They contain nucleus and larger in size than red blood cells. 1 cubic millimeter of blood contains 7,000 to 8,000 white blood cells. Monocyte. They produce macrophages which engulf germs. Basophil. They prevent blood clotting in our body. Neutrophil. They destroy small particles by phagocytosis. Xenophil. They break inflammatory substances and kill bacteria. Lymphocytes. There are basically two main types of lymphocytes, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. They produce antibodies and kill germs. At the last, I want to appreciate my teacher who made me able to present this model.